In this video, you will learn the complete process of logo designing and the things that you need to know before designing a logo for your client. So without wasting time, let's jump right into the video. Hi and welcome back to my channel Pixelbox. Logo designing is the easiest and yet the complicated thing for designers. I have been designing logos for almost 5 years, and these are the 5 steps that you need to follow before designing a logo. The first thing that you need to do is read your client's description. For example, I am using a goodbrief.io that automatically generates client's brief, and you can build a portfolio with this. So read your client's description carefully and notice the key points like their audience, age, color, and what their brand is about. The more you know about your client's brand, the more easy it will become to design for the client. Here the key features on this brief is they want a mascot logo. Their main product is a website, so logo should be recognizable even it is small. Their targeted audience is seniors, and they want to convey the sense of power in their logo. So these are the examples of key points that you need to look for in the description. Now you know all about your client's brand. Let's move to the second thing that you need to do in logo design process is research. Research about your client's competitors, see how they are engaging the audience, see their colors, their font style. Inspiration is a necessary for any designer because not all the designers know everything about every brand and what should be the best for their client's brand. So feel free to get inspired from the other competitors of your client, from other designers. You can use Dribble, you can use Behance, and also the most popular and the best way to get inspired is the Pinterest. There are a lot of good designers on the internet that you can get inspired from. I won't recommend to get inspired from Google because a lot of ranked stuff is too old for the trends. So get inspired from these 3 websites. Now let's move on to the third step, which is start designing on a sketchbook and start whatever is coming to your mind. You got the key points from the description. You also know what kind of design will work for the brand. So grab your notebook and start designing whatever is coming to your mind. Even if it is just a circle or a cube, you need to draw every concept that you are imagining in your head. It could be 10 or 20 concepts, but after you are done with your concepts, choose your top 3 design and move to the fourth step. The fourth step is the main step for designing a logo, which is making the logo in vector form. In the beginning, don't use any color, just use black and white. If your logo is looking good in black and white, it will also look good in color. Once you are done with your logo design, make sure it is recognizable even if you scale it down. Because you don't know where your logo will be used, the client can use your logo on their website. Their website icon will be small, and if your logo design is complicated, then it won't be a recognizable symbol for their brand. So make sure your logo design is recognizable even if it's small. After that, try to color the logo according to the client's given description, and voila, you are done with your logo design and your logo is ready to move towards the fifth step. The fifth step is showcasing your logo in real life example using mockups. Mockups can help your client to see how it will look in different conditions, like on the street of billboards, on their workers' uniform, how it will look on the cap, on the stickers, and you know the rest. Now you are done with your logo design process. But let me give you a bonus tip before sending it to your client. Select your logo, convert every text into outline. It will help you if the client does not install the font used in the logo, and it won't mess up all the hard work. And also doing this kind of thing can impress your client and you look more professional. So that's all the steps that you need to know before designing a logo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below how many steps you know already and how much you learned from this video. And also, thanks for watching. Always think outside the box. I will see you in the next one.